Good morning, day 5, Thailand. So today we're going to go to the gym now. We had a bit of a lie-in, it's 9:30. It's raining quite hard, so the cave was like the most favourite thing I wanted to do, but I'm not sure it's going to be possible because it's an hour and a bit drive on the bikes in the rain. I'm not sure it's the best decision. So for now we're going to go gym and assess it in a bit. So absolutely soaked. We've upgraded, but it's steaming up already, so I don't know how well this is going to work. So this morning we've been to the gym. We went back to the hotel, showered quickly. Don't know why, because I'm already wet again. We've done about 10 minutes. We're at 7-Eleven. We're going to get some breakfast, toasty, and a protein shake, standard. And then we've got an hour and 20-minute drive. So catch me at the cave. We've just taken a pit stop, 40 minutes in. We're just trying to warm up. Pretty high up, Ben. What? We're pretty high. Do you want to or just crack on?
Yeah.
Just crack on, yeah? So we have just made it. It's still raining. I've just spoke to a lady here, so you can only park your bikes here, and she said the cave's 1 kilometre, and I was like, 10-minute walk? She reckons it takes half an hour to walk it. So we're just having a quick coffee to warm up. We are absolutely drenched, freezing. So just did about a 10-minute walk. Luckily we got a tour guide. We're about to enter the cave. Ooh. Quite a few rocks hanging out of the ceiling. Well, you know, like the cave. But yeah, my hands are so wrinkly you can't even see. I'm so cold. But the only way to warm up is just to keep moving. So yeah. I'm not really sure what we're doing, but I have a feeling we're about to get on this. Oh God. Right, so we just got on the boat and mine's got a slight hole. Oh my God, we're being kept afloat by bottles and bamboo. Oh God, I don't want to go in there. Okay, so we've just seen some snakes on the side over there. So there's water snakes here. I'm wondering what else lives in this water. It is pitch black. Maybe a water troll? I don't know. I don't want to do it anymore. Alright, just got off the boat. On with the journey. This is like really cool and spooky. I'm loving it. No. There's loads of bats up there. Eagle head. Just making it out now. Can't see anything. Benji's head.
Yeah, popcorn. Yeah.
Well, now I can see that one. Or someone's just dropped the mixer on the building site. Oh, don't leave me. Don't leave me. It's all wet and salty on the ends. This one looks like a frog.
Like a monkey head.
Monkey head. You can kind of see that one.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. They do look like broccolis. Oh. Quite a strong smell in there. I mean, everywhere you look, something good to look at. Right, I'm going to wait for you lot to sit down, I think. Sit down then, Benj. Oh god. Oh my god, this one's way more wobbly. Trying not to swear, but I really wanted to. Well, don't know why, but there's just a dog in the water. Oh no, don't. If he wants to get on board, he can. Oh, no. He's getting on that boat, good boy. Go on, get up there. Good boy. Oh, straight back off the other side. Just look at the roof, there's like loads of bats flying around. I feel like Batman. Right, so we are now out of the cave. Pretty hungry actually, so we're going to try and get some food. But it is, yeah, watch your head. We are around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so we need to be mindful that it gets dark at 5:30 and we've still got an hour and 20 minutes to drive back. So food and then get on the road, I think. So that is the cave over there. Honestly, I don't know why we do this to ourselves. It is heavier than when we set off earlier, and we've got to drive back in this. Oh.
My umbrella, hello, hey.
Right, I'm absolutely drenched all the way through. Turns out my waterproof jacket doesn't work. And then we're just in a burger restaurant. Gonna get a burger now. Starving. So yeah, we got munching, but we went for a bacon, cheese, beef burger, tomatoes, salad, onion. Right, so we've just ridden home, absolutely soaked. All I want to do now is have a hot shower and lay on the bed, watch a film, and eat my Pringles. So that's the end of the vlog. Peace.